Hello everyone, welcome to General Measures channel. In this guide, we will explain how to use the constant analog output mode of the GMC-X3 Loss-in-Weight Controller. Constant analog output mode refers to a fixed analog output based on a set constant value. The GMC-X3 controller provides three working modes: constant analog output mode, loss-in-weight dosing mode, external setpoint mode. In this section, we will focus on the operation of constant analog output mode when the X3 is connected with a touch screen. The constant analog output mode is quite practical in some application scenarios. Scenario 1. In environments with strong vibration and shaking, load cell signals may fluctuate badly, causing unstable flow data. Scenario 2. Constant analog output mode can be used as a temporary manual mode. When equipment failure occurs or the flow is inaccurate in automatic mode, the operator can quickly switch to constant analog output mode to keep the equipment running until technicians arrive for troubleshooting. Scenario 3. This mode can also serve as a temporary flow meter function. Before using this mode, please make sure weight calibration and flow calibration are completed. On the main screen, log in as the administrator, enter the password 00000 and tap Login. Tap Menu, go to System Parameters, then select Mode Setting. Tap the button next to Working Mode, and in the pop-up window, choose Constant Analog Mode. To set the constant analog value, go back to System Parameters, open Function Parameters, and select Other Parameters. Tap the input box next to Constant Analog Value and enter the required analog value. The input value must match the connected device and the instrument's analog output range. For example, if the output range is 0 to 24 milliamperes, then the constant analog value can be set between to 24 milliamperes. Return to the main screen and tap Start. The displayed analog value will be the constant analog output value set earlier. If the set value is 0 and flow calibration has been performed, the output will be the calculated analog value after flow calibration. If the flow calibration has not been performed, both the flow and analog values of flow calibration point are 0. In this case, the analog output value would be the discharge analog value set by the user. This concludes the instruction on the constant analog output mode of the GMC-X3 controller. If you'd like to learn more details about this instrument, feel free to contact General Measure. In the next session, we will demonstrate the loss-in-weight dosing mode.